Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper of lock screen and home screen of Vivo Y04. If you are using Vivo Y04 and now you want to change the wallpaper of your lock screen or home screen and what you just have to follow some steps. The first phase that you have to press and hold on your empty place on the home screen. From here you just have to select the wallpaper in the pop-up menu and then you have to select the wallpaper which you want to set as. Then I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and after that your wallpaper will be changed something like this. This is your home screen wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper. So there's a second way. You just have to open your Themes app in your phone. You can easily get it here. Just tap on Themes app, open it, then select local from the bottom right corner. Here's that, tap on it. From here, just select local wallpapers, and here you'll get all of your phone wallpapers. There are some system wallpapers and the downloaded wallpapers. Here, you just have to select one which you want to set as. So I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then select apply. From here, you can easily select which one you want to set as on your lock screen, home screen, both, or if you want to crop wallpapers, you would have to select the fourth option. So I'm going to set this as my both for lock screen and home screen. So you can see the wallpaper has been changed. There is a third way. You have to open settings. In settings, just scroll down, look for home screen, lock screen, and wallpaper. Just tap on it, then select wallpaper. From here, you will get all of your wallpaper. You just have to select one which you want to set as your own wallpaper. As I have selected this one, now tap on apply, then select. So that's how you can easily change lock screen and home screen wallpaper on your Vivo Y04 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.